Alright, so I got the lawnmower started, the rattle lawnmower. I took the starter off like I showed you before and it was broken and all that stuff. So, as you see, I got the grass cut. No lie. I swear to God, this is how I did it. Look, no starter. I don't know why I took the air filter out. Anyway. Ow. I bought this a while back. It's like an adapter. It goes into the drill and it goes into the socket. Anyway, I use a 24mm socket. Plug this back up. Just making coffee earlier. And this is like something you gotta hold it with two hands because it kicks back really hard. Weed eater I didn't use. I kid you not, this works. I promise you. I gotta finish cutting the grass, so little bitty parts. Oh, it's a full line XT. Here's the model number. That's the model number, and that's the serial number. So if you want to look it up, it's 24mm socket. On the top of the motor is a sticker cover, whatever, piece of plastic that covers the bolt, and you want to turn it on this particular model. You want to turn it like you're drilling into the wall, like you're drilling a screw in the wall, whatever way it is clockwise. So it'll turn the motor. If you're sitting in a chair, you're going to turn it clockwise. So that's it. That's how you get it started. You just put the drill on top. Make sure you hold it really tight. And it threw it out of my hand a couple of times, so be careful.